So everybody has seen some sort of chart, whether it be commodities, Forex or stocks and shares. And also everybody knows that 90% of traders fail. Why are we the most sought after in financial education? Let me show you how to learn for free. So not only have banks turned to us for Forex education, so have the public. And that comes down to time, which equals freedom. 80% of trading is psychology. So without understanding how to control your emotions, you will never make it as a trader. And this is when 90% of the market go wrong, because they don't understand the psychology behind trading. We're very old school, we stick to the old traditions, we don't use modern day technology, and that is also another reason why people fail when trying to trade Forex.
Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm at the Shard today with MTA. I'm here to try and progress a lot quicker and a lot faster than I am at the moment, to work alongside the guys, to pick their brains, to try and get as much info out of them as I can today.
I'm Lee, I'm a CAD designer by trade, here today with MTA at the Shard to further my knowledge and experience with Forex and hopefully get some good results and speed up my training.
My name's Rachel and I'm here today because I've joined MTA recently, about 4 weeks ago. I've always been interested in learning how to trade, but I've never really known how to go about it. The team are generally really informative, really easygoing, and if you have any questions, they're just there 24/7 and they answer them really clearly, and it really helps you to build confidence in your own trading, and I'm really up on my account now.
My name is Junior Ferdinand. I've trained with MTA and have been for the past 3 months. Today we're at the Shard and it has been very informative. I'm able to learn what I've done incorrect over the past 3 months, and even more importantly how we can improve on our mistakes. It's good to meet people that you do speak to over the duration of time that you're on the course, put a picture to their faces and say thanks in person for the help that they've given us.
My name is Shamini, and I have been part of the MTA family since April. I joined in the apprenticeship. But the team here, what they do is a fabulous thing, is they give you free education, free, yes. And they're very supportive in the sense that you can ask them the same question 100 times and they will still explain it to you like you need to know it the first time.
My name's Ashley Noblitz, and today's training has been a real good insight for me. I've been part of MTA now since March, and I think I've had to get hold of the whole psychology of being a successful trader, and I seem to be making that leap now. I'm going to move forward and definitely become a successful trader with MTA.